the MPCC may be referring to, which is the World Bank loans and the ADB loans and the externally aided project loans. Again, for the sake of explanation, I will explain that number one, it's on a 90-10 ratio. So 10%, it's an 80-20 ratio in terms of the loan and the amount that we are supposed to pay upfront. So 20% state government pays upfront. 80% is the loan component. Out of this 80% of loan component, 90% is grant from the central government, and government of Meghalaya has to repay back only 10%. And hence, if you look at the entire calculation, 72% is repaid back by central government. 28% is paid by the state government, which has to be paid in advance upfront. So the question of this being financed through debt does not arise at all. So therefore, the MPCC president is trying to mislead the people, which is quite unfortunate.